Yeah, no, right there. Right there. Not there. That way. That way is not good. See? No, you're not going down there.
So we have to go down.
We have to go down and then over. Like, we got to go all the way back down where we started. I just think that snow is going to be really crappy to go straight down. I don't know if my skis are going to fit.
Yeah, you're all good.
Yeah, I know you uncovered it on the way up. Oh, you hit two. Oh, you got not another one. Oh man, I need shorter skis. Yeah, right. See where that? Just right there below you on the right, down there. Just gonna get over these sharks here. And, you know, I'm on them, of course. Alright. Yeah, we'll get a couple good turns here, maybe. Well, that was better than expected. Top of DOA. Oh yeah, it's crappy. Here comes Jen. Pretty bad, eh? I'm just slide down through here. It's better down here, Jen. That's just kind of shit. But that's the spire. Pretty big, eh? So you can go down either way of the spire here. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. Oh, yeah, you don't want to fall. Alright, the snow's better here. Yep. You want to lead it out?
It looks like it's going to be jump turns kind of the whole way.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Until you get down around that one corner when it gets less steep, right? It's not best conditions.
No. But
whatever.
Jump turns it is.
Yeah, you gotta only get what you can get.
It's variable, so
Yeah, that's what that guy said, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so here's the...
Yeah, just stick your edges, should be good.
vocals that are better than this type of ice.
Hey, my Korthalses are way better than what I'm on right now. It's fairly steep, I gotta say. Yeah, doesn't surprise me. That sounds not bad though, what you're on there. Yeah, this is really crap. That's ice. Whew. That's pretty chalky over here. Well,
Stop here, 'cause now we can see.
I gotta tell you something about that. Oh shit! But it was alright.
Yeah.
It wasn't, yeah, well, whatever. You know, I fell on my ass. First turn.
Well, now it's doable.
So now we're staying on, remember? We're gonna stay on the rocks, right? On our right. We're gonna keep them on our right. We're gonna stay that way. Cause see where those trees are? That's a big fucking cliff.
Okay.
So just when it gets to the open, let's stop again.
You can see the tracks going a little
Yeah,
bit that way.
yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we can ski now.
Cool.
Woohoo! Probably gonna be really bad now. Oh, it might be some fresh snow over here. Not very fall liney. All right, well, that's the DOA right up there. How's that? Good? Oh, yeah, looks all right. So that's the rock we were talking about earlier. Woo-hoo. It is a cornice. Yeah. Man. Yeah. That was that'd be nice with full powder.
Yeah. It would be amazing in full powder.
All right.
That was a really good adventure. Let's get to
We survived.
Oh yeah. I don't think that was in question.
No.
Oh, it's over there.
You can't go off the end though, right? Woo! Oh, I'm so hot now. There's that. That's Booterville. I don't know, just out. Because that skiing is not going to be very good. Just out. Right? Here's a couple turns. I was going to just say, here's a couple turns. Yeah. Nice. Woo. No, that was it was intentional too. Jen, that was intentional. All right. I hate traverse tracks.